Yeah. Go for it, Malachi.
Wait.
After you.
All right.
Go for it.
Go for it.
Come on.
They're black.
Whoa!
Oh, you're gonna go right over it. You want to take? Everybody can take 2 shots because I think that there's enough course there. Here. Yeah.
Use your sink.
It doesn't matter.
Oh!
All right.
Split the cracker, the wafer.
Split the cracker. Can I go next?
Yeah, you can go next.
I want to go next.
Yeah, we'll go ages. How's that?
Ooh, next me. I'm already after him. How old are you? 7. So you.
All right, take another one.
Why don't you go next, guy? So you know it goes by age.
I want to go next after
Go
Kai.
stand in line.
No,
How about everyone form a line behind Kai?
Oh! You want to shoot
that
Sophia?
thing was going full.
Okay, just 2
That
shots
one
each.
fell.
Right, here, I'm getting you off the chair. So we can,
I want to take my turn.
yeah, everybody can.
Can I eat this?
Hey, you can go too, Sophie.
Then it's really nice. Then it's not. Can I eat my turn?
No, you guys are right
How old are
here.
you? So she goes after me.
She's between you guys.
Yeah.
I'm 4. That guy's dead.
Whoa!
Way high.
Your
Oh.
bird broke.
Now you gotta use the same bird.
He lost his beak.
He lost his beak.
That's all right. There's other birds.
This.
He's giving you the silent bird.
Alright.
Missing.
Aim. Ready?
I need to take even one.
All right, Sophia, come
Wait,
on.
is this pig dead?
Simeon and then Sophia.
Not yet.
Not yet. If it was, yeah.
That's gonna go away.
He went splat.
Not in the game, they don't have frosting stuck to the pigs.
They fall easier.
Good.
Good throw.
All right, who's next?
You can go. Sophia.
Good try, son. Good try.
Can you go get me a water if you don't mind?
Oh,
Pull it all the way down.
redo that.
Aim it good.
You know it's gonna be.
There you go. That's a good one. Whoa!
Oh,
Another lost
video.
beak.
Wait. Look at it. That's just me.
You go again.
Yeah, you get to go again.
2 tries.
You can pick any bird you want.
This. The sad bird. He's at the end of the
Woo! That was close.
My turn now. Malachi's name. He moved Malachi's name. So sad. The ninja bird.
Remember to aim it. And pull it all the way down.
There you go.
Woo!
I didn't do it.
I'm a Malachi zombie.
Whoa!
That's close.
Just hit me.
All right.
Who's
Okay,
next?
your
Broken
turn.
heart.
Do you want to chair, Hannah?
Which one?
I'm after Hannah.
Hannah, which one do you
Pardon
want?
me, Kai. Pardon
Which
me.
one? Then it's my turn again.
I get to go. I spent all the time building that thing.
Put your
I'm going for the king. Aren't you?
That king's mine.
Yeah.
All right,
Pull it back.
I'll hold it and then go for it, girly goo.
Oh, good job,
One
Hannah.
more.
Pull it down real far.
Oh!
A direct shot.
All right. Is Daddy gonna try once?
The guard.
Darn straight,
I'm gonna
Dad.
kill
Try that
him.
once.
And you just destroyed
Move back, kids.
something.
Joe can
Can
try
I
it.
kill him?
Keep it on
Don't
board,
even
Joe.
How are you going to kill him? Eat him?
I don't know. You might break your teeth.
They're hard. Yeah, I would. Just leave it up
Yeah.
there.
Fine.
There's
Candy bone.
Oh, look out!
Don't hit me.
Put a dent in your wall.
You almost hit me.
Well, we'll tip that up a little bit.
I mean, you're bullying.
All right.
I had to
I'm
let
gonna
up
try.
a little
I'm
bit.
gonna try. All right, ready?
Mommy. Go, mommy.
Woo!
All right, I got
All
I
right, Aaron's
gotta
gonna
Why
get in
don't
there
you
and try.
it. I get that bird?
And they say not to play with your food.
Whoa!
Let's ask the king.
Say
We
not
just got
to
to move
play
back
with
a
your
little bit.
food. Oh, the break.
All right, Aaron, Sharon, get in there.
Lost his
I'm
big.
the guy.
You're dead.
Take a shot at it. Take a shot. Oh, you trying to get that big? He's open.
Mommy.
You gotta get that.
Alright, taco.
Hey, you took out some structure though.
That is the chocolate brick. You hit the chocolate brick. Is this all
Bird
brownies? He's really like.
Quiet, please, as the master lines up his shot.
Yeah, I think the center of gravity is.
You got one.
And 3, 2, 1, flat.
Alright.
We got 2 pigs down.
Alright,
Pigs
hang on.
down.
Digging! I'm gonna try to break him.
Oh!
What's that big one over there?
This thing's glued.
Gavin's next. Remember, we did it by 8.
Do it in the same order.
Oh, alright, Gavin, come on up, man.
Couple pigs left.
Surrender pigs. I've come to save birds. No nose. When it landed, my nose. His nose got stuck in it.
You wanna do it? Yeah.
Put it here. Put it in the wall.
You can be.
Whoa! He lost his nose. Yeah. If you want to watch the huge pig, that's fine. His nose. Yeah, I want to watch the huge pig. Did you watch a pig?
Can Laura try one, Sim? Can Laura pull it back? I don't think she'll get it real far. Thank you, sweetie.
We thought baseball throw.
Try to be.
You want to throw it? You want to throw it? No, she wants to do it.
Check it. Check it.
She can just go. She can just go.
Okay.
Can I just throw the catapult?
Hold that down, yeah. You get one more shot.
She got a pig.
Okay, pull it down, and I'll hold it.
One pig.
Alright, Sim.
Well, we got 3
Right?
Try again.
Sophia, you get to do it.
Oh!
You don't want to do it again?
You don't wanna-
Okay.
It almost got the key.
Whoa!
Why
don't you go, Joe?
times you get Simeon?
No choice. He shot back at himself the first time. He got another one.
This is fun.
It's your turn.
Thought he was the pig.
All right, Julian, you're up. Good job, Sim.
This morning was fun.
Try this one.
Last week we started it in Malachi.
Oh! That was total domination.
Really hard.
That was totally gross.
He saw the difficulty.
Oh! He hit his head.
Try again.
Like, that's cool. Everything was just cool.
Yeah, but I'm not really going to
He gets one more shot. And this,
You be queen?
Hey, don't hit the king.
Whoa!
That was close.
Alright, Hannah, you're next, right?
You can just leave it in there.
Hey, he's still up.
Hannah, your turn.
Yeah, he's glued onto that thing. That is
Your bird.
All right, who's next?
Hannah gets to go.
I'm squeezing
Yeah.
these. And
Thank you.
puffing out.
Oh, come on.
Second, here. Let's take that.
Yeah, you can move it wherever. Here, pull it all the way back.
Whoa. You have to pull it back to you.
All the way back.
Pull it more. Yep.
Oh, redo that. Redo that. Don't eat it. One more. Eat it.
Pull
Pull it
down
down
hard
and
first.
let
Oh, yeah.
Alright, it's Uncle Joe. We gotta get this cake destroyed because we're getting hungry. Huh?
Yeah. Go after Joe. Oh, you almost did it. You knocked out
My turn?
Somebody's turn.
I'm going to
Daddy.
go with a smaller bird this time.
Just push my
Going for that king up there.
Going for
Come on, Aaron.
Whoa! Kill the king.
Come on, king, we're going down.
Get the king off the cliff.
You must be the king, Kai.
You're the king.
I'm the king. Royal king of the pigs.
King of the
No,
forest.
no, king of the, this.
Yeah, no one's used that little bird yet.
Oh!
Okay, I'm gonna go too.
What the grannies? Oh. I like these things when they get all famous. Oh! This pig's down. Yeah. Oh, did you see that?
All right.
Oh, you're shit.
Taka's gonna go.
Not on their table soon.
Oh!
That's too
Green
heavy.
ones are too heavy to fly.
Hold on a second. I'm gonna get a perspective shot.
That can fly.
Wait a minute, it's a phone.
I can fly.
You gotta get this.
You're gonna break your phone.
Alright, let's see here. How many more
Goodbye.
pigs we got? We gotta get that one.
Goodbye, stupid.
The other one fell down too.
Wait,
Oh,
these
just the
two
kids?
guys. These two guys are dead.
I'm that awesome. Alright, ready?
It's just a kid.
Oh!
Well, I don't need the nuts.
Who's turn? Dad is
I don't know how you
second.
guys are aiming